Paula, the Chief Marketing Officer for Auve Tech. Auve Tech specializes on autonomous vehicles. The autonomous driving is no longer intangible and already offers sustainable, safe, and smart solutions. We started our cooperation with Tallinn Airport last year in order to change the staff transportation inside the terminal. The personal vehicles cannot be used inside the terminal, so the workers are taken back and forth with a taxi. This could be changed by an autonomous vehicle, whether with predefined bus stops or an on-demand service. Our shuttles feature a teleoperation system from a German startup named Pilot. This way, one operator can operate multiple vehicles at the same time. And this is just one example of how the autonomous vehicle could help change the future. Our cooperation with Tallinn University of Technology started out in 2017, and the goal was to develop an autonomous shuttle from scratch for the university's 100th birthday. And today, Auvetech is manufacturing and developing these shuttles. Each shuttle is meant for 8 passengers and are meant for low-speed applications, up to 25 kilometers per hour. We are currently manufacturing our 10th shuttle and have demonstrated the shuttles in almost 10 cities in Estonia. Besides the airport, we have used our shuttles to transport visitors in Tallinn Zoo and in the Open Air Museum. We're also developing a modular platform for the shuttle so that it could be used for different applications. For example, the shuttle could transport waste or deliver parcels. Until now, we have used our shuttles in closed areas, but we are currently working with the local road administration in order to get our shuttles running on open roads. In fact, our first shuttle will be running on a public road this summer in a business district in Tallinn. Our shuttles are electric, but together with Skeleton Technologies, we are working on a shuttle that works with supercapacitors. And we have another cooperation project with the University of Tartu in order to develop a shuttle with hydrogen fuel. The outbreak of pandemic has put the logistics infrastructure under a stress test, and that means we have to find new ways to tackle the surge in demand. Auvetech is constantly looking for new ways to expand and develop, and we believe that flexibility is the best way to tackle the future. Thank you.